Okay, let's look at your work. This is your last motion. The class is over, but I do not want you to stop. Alright, I want you to keep going at animation. You worked really, really hard. You're not there yet, but you're getting there. Alright, and I can see you have a good feel of the motion now. It's getting much better. You've been working very hard. Alright, it hasn't been easy, but you're starting to get it. It looks pretty good. I like it. Okay, you have a good sense of observation of the motion. So I want you to keep doing modeling and texturing and animation and rigging. Okay, and because class is never over, and you can send me your work personally. You got my email, arnaud.egner@asu.edu. You send me your work personally, and I'll be glad to help you as long as you want. It doesn't bother me at all. I like that actually. You've done a lot of progress. I'd like you to keep going. You got some way, all right? I'm not gonna lie to you. There's a lot of work to be done, but you've done a lot of work, and it looks so much better that you're getting there. Okay, so let's look at it. When I look at it first, I like it. There's a couple things I want to discuss. First of all, from what I remember, it doesn't start like that. He's not in that position, so he's more the arms sideways. So let me open the other one you have too. Right here. Okay. So I would have started more in the position that he was. All right, but that's okay. So right here, that works good. You need to extend the leg more. Okay, so let's look at that right here. Too late. All right, it's already landing. Let's cut that just a second and move it a little bit more like right here. All right. See, it's getting better balance like that. It's quicker already. One thing also, you need to work at 60 FPS. Okay, not at 30. Let's put it at 60 in case you did that one at 60. Yeah, that could work. It's a little fast at 60. Okay, so let's put it at 45, and that should be pretty good. But you need to work at 60. There you go. All right. So you see the difference a little bit. And I would maybe even go further right here. Not fully, because you'll snap too much. Alright, so you want to, let's try just like that even fully to see how that looks like. Just a second, and we'll change that. So it's a little much. You see you have the snap, so that's a little much. Alright, so let me zoom in and really right here, just like that. So we don't have the snap. Alright, but I can feel now it's kicking, pushing forward a little bit more. You see a little bit of a snap, but you can adjust that a little bit. It might be a little too much still. Alright, it's not too bad actually. And I will jump higher. Alright, I don't think you're going high enough. So I would go deeper down, first of all. Right here. And then jump higher than that. And you see it's a little, you should be kicking when it's the high of the jump. It should be fully extended right here on its top. That should be right here. Alright, it should be fully extended and higher now, obviously. Oops. Yeah, it's rotating after a little bit. Right here. A little bit too extended. Yeah, it's just, yeah, because it's staying. It needs to go down quicker. Let me even take that one out. Just a second. I don't think we even need it. Same thing, right here. Bing, bing, bing. So now we want to extend it a little bit. Yeah, it's not bad actually. Uh, right here, bang, right there, ting, tic tac. You can feel it almost. Now you have to play with the. Let me see their legs now. So we're going down, up. Yeah, that works. And start bringing it down. Yeah, that works. Yeah, but my only problem is that both legs are the same. It's not doing much at the end. You see it's not moving much right there? It's okay. You could do. See that? You could do a little bit down. So you land, tack, and you go a little bit down maybe. Alright? And then it brings that up. Alright? So change a couple of things. Obviously, you'll do it better than what I'm doing right now because you'll take more time to do it. But that looks pretty good. I want to set your proper motion first again. See a little higher. See how it's staying? Too long right here with the leg. That's because you probably, it's it's kicking here. See, this is where you need to kick it in reality. This is here that it kicks. Alright? And that key is not needed. It's too late. You're on the floor already. You should be falling, bring it back down. You know what I'm saying? See the difference? Ting, ting, ting. And that one could be when he lands right here, that leg needs to be a little bit more extended first. And that's why I was going up a little bit more. See, land a little bit more like that, and then bring it down to its position and do a little trick maybe. Alright? So, keep it up. Okay, you did a fantastic job. I'd like you to keep it up again. You got my email. Just email me all those works that you're doing, and let's get going. I want you to model also more. Okay, you're modeling. I think your animation is a bit better than your modeling now. You need to know model. If you want to get into 3D, even if it's just animation, you're gonna need to know how to model. You're gonna need to know the texture. You never know what's going on, which jobs you have to take off, which you have to fix, and stuff like that. Okay, take it easy, and thank you very much. Bye bye.